Alright, so today I'm going to be going over the 3-in-1 MDX mod by Unicorn Vapes. You can see the Unicorn RDA. It's a kit that came with it. It's a kit altogether, so the mod and the RDA. So just at a quick glance, it takes 21-700s, 20-700s, and 18-650s with an included battery adapter sleeve. But I've just been running 21-700s in there, and it works great. It's coated copper, I believe, on the inside. I don't know how well you couldn't be able to pick that up. I can't really see what the fuck I'm doing either. Basically, inside it's insulated. It's like a black little sleeve, which is really nice because if you have any tears in your batteries or anything, you know, it won't touch the outside and it won't cause like a hard short or anything. Got some really nice battery venting right there on the top. A little bit of juice. Yeah, really nice battery venting. Up on top, I do have some scratches on it because I've been using it quite a bit. Look at that, I got serial number 9900, 9900. I'll go over the RDA as well and the switch. So the switch is kind of like a semi-constant contact mod switch. This part sits up here. Your battery basically will sit on there, and then it comes down to as far as it needs to as you screw in. So it's kind of it's more of a self-adjusting switch basically, and then because it'll push down your switch, and then you push in your switch in. So this will come down to make room for the battery, and then you hit your switch will come up. You make contact with your battery. One thing I did notice with both switches that I got, so this little screw that comes out, which I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. So this screw here, they both have a little, it's like a little nub on there somewhere right here. Oh well, my camera will pick that up. That little black spot, which both switches had it, and it can sometimes make little arcing spots on the bottom of your battery, but for the most part, it hasn't been too terrible. But you can see on the bottom of the battery that it has been causing, you know, a little bit of arc marks, but those do go away as long as you keep up on it. And if you'll notice, the bottom switch actually matches the drip tip. The drip tip comes with the mod, with the kit, the RDA. There's also one that's like a glossy black, because that's what the RDA is as well. And I'll go over the RDA here. So it's basically a 2-post configuration, positive one side, negative on the other. Nice big Phillips head screws, which the camera would not focus on me. I'm running, what are they? Coilology aliens in here, reading at, they were at a 0.13, but it's somewhere in between a 0.11 and a 0.13. I've had these same coils in here since I got the mod. I got this mod about 3 months ago, 2-3 months ago, and they're still kicking. They still work really well. I really like, so I don't know if I'll be able to take this apart. The O-rings are quite stiff on there, but there is an AFC cap up in there. I don't know how well that's going to pick that up. So you have 6 big open honeycomb style airflows, 6 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So 12 total. So you get nice whooshy airflow. It's not a super deep juice well, but it's really nice for your it works. There's nothing really too special about it, but I really like it. I think you get the way just the airflow hits your coils and you get really decent flavor off of it. I think it works really well. And if you'll notice, see how I run my cotton not being underneath the actual coil, that helps prevent with spitback and helps get better airflow underneath those coils. That way you get better flavor and helps keep the coils a little more cool. The juice that I'm running is Twisted Tongue Pina Colada. Really nice juice. Tastes really good in here. For a single battery mech, they do come in other colors. I think there's like gold, white brass, stainless steel, and they do have other designs. There's like a knurled brass and a knurled black one, and this is the one I wanted. This is the one that I went with. Been enjoying this mod pretty much ever since I bought it. And you've been getting a lot of use out of the coils. Really like how they have a matching drip tip for the button. And there's also a metal drip tip, but I don't like metal drip tips, so that one went in the drawer with all the others, and I've just been using this one ever since I got it. Really nice, whooshy airflow, but you still get really good flavor off of it. Because kind of per rule, less airflow, more flavor, but this, you get nice whooshy airflow, but still get really good, decent flavor with it. I don't really have the specs with it, but I have another RDA like this, the Unicorn RDA in silver, which I use on and off. Just bought the Unicorn RDA V2, so I'm going to be doing a review on that when that comes out. But yeah, there's not a whole lot to it other than the fact that it is, takes 3 different solid batteries, comes with an RDA as a kit, which is really nice. And I think total this was like $90 odd, so that's not a bad deal for a 3-in-1 kit with an RDA and an extra matching drip tip. Pretty good bang for your buck. It hits hard. I've been using it a lot and I've been really enjoying it. And if you like this, you should go and check them out. You can't actually go through, it's not like a Unicorn Vapes site. You have to go through AR Liquid Company. It's where I bought this. It's where I bought my Vert RDA, which I will be doing a review with the Unicorn V2 RDA. And so I've been really enjoying the Vert RDA, but trying to find the Vert mech mod. It's not an RDA, it's a mech mod. And I'm waiting on to get the Unicorn V2 because it'll match. It's a 26 millimeter RDA, and the Vert is a 26 millimeter mech mod. So when I get that, I'll get that hooked up, put some liquid in it, and show you guys what that looks like. Till then, check these guys out. They make great mods. They have like a stacked version of this for only like $80. I think it's a kit. It's like $85. It's a really good deal, actually. Most stack kits are fairly expensive, but yeah, overall, $90 for a kit. Awesome investment. If you like mech mods, check them out. If not, keep on vaping. You keep on vaping safely. Peace.